What if you could help empty half the world's hospital beds? What if you could put cutting-edge technology to use to provide safe water to the poorest on Earth? What if you could tap into the power of a multinational organization that can actually get it done? A small California Rotary Club decided to start doing just that with SunSpring, a self-contained solar-powered water purification system that can produce up to 5,000 gallons of pure water every day from any source. That's about 38,000 half-liter bottles every day. Filtered down to 0.02 microns, blocking bacteria, protozoan cysts, even viruses. Invented and produced in Colorado, SunSpring has a lifespan of 10 years. Once it's on site, it can be up and running within 3 hours, and it can be outfitted with an optional wind turbine. No fuel and no electric grid needed ever. SunSpring has already been deployed in several countries in a variety of conditions. Where it's being used, villages often use it to establish a social business, often run by women, to sell the surplus water. This little water economy assures proprietorship and sustainability. We're H2 Open Doors, a project of the Rotary Foundation of Peninsula Sunrise. Rotary International has 40 years of success in beating back polio, and now we're tackling the global water crisis. We're asking you to help us do something about the 3.5 million who die each year from contaminated water. That's more than the populations of Marin, San Francisco, San Mateo, and Santa Clara counties combined. Just go to h2opendoors.org to learn more, including how we're involving high school students in this endeavor. Then join us to do something amazing. Water, education, peace.